take him down.
Alright. Alright, we're down.
Sergeant, I have to talk to you about this. I've been waiting for you here. We have to move back to the extraction point. There we will discuss the enemy's plans.
Alright, let's move. Let's go.
By the way, who we have to kill is the assassinator. He's been assassinating our country all over. Wait. There he is!
Alright,
Let's go.
let's move.